Once upon a time. Once upon a time. Once upon a time we were roommates, but we're not anymore. Yay. Alexis is really weird.
Well, it's gonna be stuck here if you don't do it.
Maybe you can try. Maybe try to bring it back.
Just. Okay. Okay. She went over the curb.
All the way. Just go.
Yes. I'm being a good friend. She wants this. Okay. Go. Okay. Good job. Yes, Alexis. Okay. Hey, today is February.
November.
February 4th. March 4th. And yeah, I didn't suddenly gain a lot of weight. If you think I have stupid ideas, you should meet Sierra a lot. She just thought it would be funny for me to try and put all my hoodies on at once. Now I'm stuck in them. Now I can't breathe. And you're just going to watch. I look like a huge fat elephant. You're just going to watch me and Amber try to take these hoodies off, which probably isn't going to happen. You'll be stuck in here forever. And I'm going to have to, cut them off of you or something. She said she had 7 on. Well, 5 was all that could fit. No, that's just sad. Because look at all those. Look at all those hoodies. Super saggy brow. That's true. And then it's like a uniboob or something. Skip ahead 40 seconds. Here, I'll skip. Okay.